Friday night at my house, it's pizza night. And although it is tempting to order, sometimes it's actually faster just to make a quick pizza at home. I've got a focaccia base and you're going to need a few key ingredients like some tomato passata. I like my pizzas to be simple, not too many ingredients, just let a few simple ingredients shine. So the passata goes on the bottom, not too much, all the way to the sides, leaving a slight border. Some mozzarella cheese, a good sprinkling over the top, some dried oregano, a little sprinkle, and then some pepperoni. Pepperoni is one of those ingredients that you should always have in your fridge because it's not only great for an antipasti but also great for pizza. This one has no artificial colours or flavourings, but it is super tasty. And when I'm using pepperoni for a pizza, I want it to be really thin. So we'll just cut the tail end off and then just with a sharp knife, thin slices of the pepperoni. Look at that. Now preheat your oven. You want it to be piping hot, around the 220-degree heat, because essentially we're just wanting that cheese to melt. Speaking of cheese, after I dot this with my yummy pepperoni, more cheese on top, and then into the oven to allow that to melt. See, that is way faster than picking up the phone and calling the takeaway shop. Pepperoni pizza is out of the oven. It's piping hot. And I'm just going to cut this into thick fingers so you can just pass it around to all your friends, or you could just be having this for yourself. I love pizzas that take no time at all. And like I said, if you've got a few key ingredients like a focaccia base, some mozzarella cheese, and good quality pepperoni, you can make this every single Friday night.